Let us discuss with the next one. That is question number 7. The oxidation state of iron in the Brown ring complex is, so they have given a Brown ring complex, that is FeH2O 5 times NoSO4. So here they are asking us to calculate the oxidation state of what? Oxidation state of iron. So here NO, that is nitric oxide, and water. When it comes to nitric oxide as well as the water molecule present in it, the change in oxidation number of nitric oxide and water is considered as 0 because both are neutral ligands. So both are neutral ligands. Already we have discussed this in coordination compounds. Water is a neutral ligand, hence its oxidation number is 0. Nitric oxide is also a neutral ligand, hence its oxidation number is again 0. Therefore, iron we have to calculate, I'll take it as X. Water is a neutral ligand, hence its oxidation number is 0. Nitric oxide is also a neutral ligand, hence its oxidation number is 0, which is equated to what? Equated to 2, because here this can be represented as FeH2O 5 times NO. So this is sulfate. So sulfate has a valency of -2. Hence the charge of this complex will be +2. That can be equated to 2. Therefore, the value of X is how much? +2. +2 is the oxidation state of what? Iron, which is given by the option B. Next one, question number 8. In the reaction, so they have given a reaction, the oxidizing agent is, so here when we observe this reaction, that is FeSO4 plus of H2SO4 plus H2O2, that gives rise to Fe2SO4 thrice plus of 2 times of H2O. They are asking us to identify the oxidizing agent. The oxidizing agent, one should know that the oxidizing agent is one which undergoes self reduction. So when we see the equation, water molecule, hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2, this hydrogen peroxide is reduced to water molecule. Hence the oxidizing agent is what? Hydrogen peroxide, which is given by the option C. Next one, question number 9. They have given an equation, that is 3 times of ClO minus gives rise to ClO plus of 2 times of Cl minus, is an example for oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, disproportionation reaction, and decomposition reaction. So here when we go through with the charge, here in this particular structure, Cl has a oxidation state of +1. Here also this Cl has an oxidation state of +1. In this case, it has an oxidation state of what? -1. Hence, when we go through with this, so this has +1 charge has been changed to -1 charge, which is nothing but what? That is gain of electron. Gain of electron is nothing but what? It is reduction. Hence the reaction is an reduction reaction, which is given by the option B. Next one, question number 10th. The standard reduction potentials at 298 Kelvin. So when we go through with the values of E0, here the E0 value with reference to all different equations, which of the following is the strongest reducing agent? Here one should know that lower the reduction potential, more easy it is oxidized. So we should know this. Lower the reduction potential, lower the reduction potential, more easily, lower the reduction potential, more easily it is oxidized. So when we check with this, lower easily it is oxidized, and stronger is the reducing agent, and stronger is the reducing agent. When we check with this, the lower reduction potential is with reference to zinc. Therefore, this zinc has an E0 value of -0.762 volt, which has lower reduction potential as compared to the other equations that has been given. Hence, zinc is considered as strongest reducing agent. Hence, zinc is considered as the strongest reducing agent. Hence, the correct option for the given question is what? Option B.